Start.
Hi everyone, this is Rayson and this is Colin and our dear friend Angeline. So today we have questions for Colin and it's all about the myths of trading. Okay, so without ado, let's start.
So formal.
Okay. I actually have friends who have been trading. They are not just Singaporeans, but they're US as well. And they have always been emphasizing on you will get very fast cash and you get rich very quickly. Is that true?
They can get rich fast, they can lose money fast also. I think that's the truth. Because when you trade, if you want to make fast money, right, then the risk you are taking, because a lot of people focus on like, hey, how much money I made. But actually, you should focus on how much money you are willing to lose for the amount of money, the risk. So when the person say, I want to make money fast, the risk is taking is also very big. You know? So is it possible? Possible, but what you're doing is basically like gambling. Okay? So when the person wants to aim for very fast riches, very fast gains, most likely it's taking very big risks also. So the risk of maybe bursting your own account is possible. So that is the thing. What we do is in trading, it's not really about making huge gains. It's not about making like 100% in a single month. That's not our intention. The intention is to, like what we mentioned just now, Proprietary payout ratio, is to have a proven strategy and then do it over and over again. So once you do it over and over again and you have a correct payout ratio, the correct probability, then you're more likely to succeed. It means aim for 2%, 3% in a single month. That will be something that we want to aim to look out for.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay, I get what I mean. So if we always, so that means if we always go for fast cash, it is just like gambling. So we have to make
fast
it slow.
Cash and also fast cash and big returns. I think that's a risky thing, you know, because if you do fast cash and big return, then it become very likely they will blow up the whole account.
Oh, I see. So for those who are watching, make sure that you don't go fast and big returns. Go slow and steady like a tortoise, and then you will win the race eventually.
Yeah, I think that's a more sensible solution. You know, more sensible solution.
Okay.
Is that the question?
Yes, I understand. Thank you.